Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, we're uncovering the latest buzz around the iPhone 16 Pro series battery advancements. Ready for a full day's power and more? Let's jump right in. Don't forget to hit subscribe for all the latest tech updates. Breaking new grounds with iPhone 16 Pro Max's battery. Diving straight into the heart of innovation, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's battery is catching everyone's attention. A trusted source hints at a battery boost, promising over a day of use. Yes, you heard that right, 30 hours of uninterrupted power. That's stepping up from the previous model. Impressive, isn't it? The power behind the numbers. Ever wonder what makes this possible? A rumored 5 bump in battery size brings us to a 4,676 mAh cell, edging out its predecessor. It might seem minor, but in the tech world, every little improvement is a leap towards perfection. More than just size. But there's more to it than just bigger numbers. The real game changer is in the efficiency of both software and hardware. From your daily apps to each swipe on the screen, everything is optimized for endurance. Especially with the anticipated larger 6.9-inch screen, efficient power use is key. A peek at the iPhone 16 Pro. Turning our gaze to the iPhone 16 Pro, it's set to wow us with a 6.3-inch display. Bigger and bolder, it might mean a larger device in your hands, but with more screen to love. And while its bezels might stand out more compared to rivals, it's a design choice that's bound to stir up conversations. The battery balance. And the battery? It's a mix of anticipation. Will it follow in the footsteps of the iPhone 15 Pro, or venture into bigger territory? The excitement is real, and so are our expectations for groundbreaking power management. There you have it, folks. A glimpse into what the iPhone 16 Pro series might hold for us. Will these rumors turn into reality? Only time will tell. Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay charged and ready for adventure.